guys ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
Lauren's getting ready to perform surgery.
Gotta do this. Wait. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Doctor. All right, Maddie, your turn. You don't have it on. Oh, we get the cool one. That thing's sweet. Sweet. Hop in.
Go from there or go from the tire.
Okay. Yeah, Maddie's in the front. Jeep ride and what is it? Jogja? Jogja. Jeep ride up Mount Merapi. Oh, you're driving?
No.
Oh, picture.
Breaking our backs.
I know. Hey, you always talk about wanting a Willys. Or what is this? Is this CJ or Willys?
From foolish to wise, we all bruise the same. Now I got these growing pains. When the storm wind blows, I'm the weather vane. Now I'm made with what remains. A thick skin, knowing it's just growing pain.
So we are at our last stop, or one of our last stops for Mount Merapi. Awesome expedition. We did the shortest tour, which was 350,000 rupiah, which is about maybe $25 around there for the whole group, for the entire Jeep, which is really not bad at all. We got one more stop to go to, but it's definitely worth it. We were kind of iffy at first, but it's definitely worth it. So yeah.
Chicken satay with peanut sauce, and then fried noodles. And I guess they gave me a little bit of extra chicken on the side.
All right, I got, what is that? Chicken bakam, some sauce.
I think it's like a barbecue, you said?
Yeah, and then white rice.
I just got fried rice with chicken. I don't know what that is.
Toes from my missteps and tortured souls. I learned my way, breaking every bone. Now I see all these aches and make you grow. And every fall has a rise, every burn has a flame.
This has been our entire day here. They love us. Yeah. All right, so here we go. We're gonna vlog it. Oh my God. I know. When those kids came, you guys left. I was like, group photo. Oh, there's no steps on this side?
We have to go back. They're filming us.
We gotta get we have to get off this main area.
Oh my god, let's go.
I escaped. Run. Literally never ending. So, if you come here, you know what's gonna happen. Absolutely beautiful. See if I can bring this up for you guys. Absolutely beautiful here. You can see how crowded it is, but just beware that you will be attacked for photos. So now that we are out of all the chaos, here is a nice view of Prambanan. So, as you can see, it's not too bad over here. Alright, so right now we are at Grewang Beach, or as they call it, Pantai Grewang, which Pantai in Javanese is beach. And I almost just lost my drone. I lost connection for about a minute, and then I clicked return home, and all of a sudden it started coming back to me. So yeah, this could have been a real shitty day. It turned out decent. Here it is, Grewang Beach. The only bad part about it is you can't really swim here because the waves are so rough. They're really big waves, and it's like rock. It's like sand and then rock out there. So, what?
Sand, rock, water.
Sand, rock, water. So you can't really swim. Borobudur Temple sunrise. So it's about a 45-minute drive from the city if you leave for sunrise, which we left at 3:30 in the morning. I'm awake now, and it includes breakfast, which we weren't told, so we bought a bunch of stuff yesterday not knowing. But yeah, there. But yeah, so it's super crowded, but I actually kind of recommend not going to the very top, which is up there. I think it's kind of cooler down here in the lower levels because you get the whole level to yourself, and there's not a bunch of people around you and stuff like that. But yeah, you're gonna go walk around the temple now and just check everything out.